To this video, I am going to invite you to the PrimeHost web hosting. It's a new web hosting that allows you to host unlimited websites, unlimited blog at affordable price. So PrimeHost is a web hosting with amazing features for bloggers and web designers to host unlimited sites. So let's take a look at the features, pricing, and how to get access to the hosting platform. So what is Prime Hosting? PrimeHost is a world-class and one of its kind blazing fast more SSD web hosting solution that allows you to host unlimited websites and domains on ultra reliable and super fast loading server at an unbeatable low price. You can host unlimited website and unlimited domain without paying heavily monthly recurring fees, without compromising site loading speed and performance, falling victim of hackers and malware. So let's look at the main feature of the PrimeHost 2.0. The main feature of PrimeHost 2.0. So as you can see from the screen here, so it allows you to host unlimited website and domain, unlimited bandwidth and unlimited database, get your own personalized email account, 100 plus one-click script installers, completely newbie friendly and no prior experience needed. Then you can host unlimited free to end SSL encryption, super fast and secure server for lightning fast site loading speed, one-click WordPress installation, then better and easy to use a panel, which is also known as alternative panel, and so much. So let's look at the steps to host your blog or website on PrimeHost. Step 1, one-click domain connect. To log in, just need to log into your ultra secure PrimeHost account and insert your domain name. So you can add unlimited domain and unlimited website. That is step 1. Then step 2, manage your hosting account using cutting-edge A-panel technology. You can start managing your hosting account from their user-friendly, powerful control panel in just minutes. Then step 3, install 100 plus web application in one click. Web app application for protection, for SEO, for traffic, for design, or for images, and so on. So to allow you to install any plugin on your website to customize your blog or site. And this is the only hosting solution you ever need. So if you want to get access to this page to register for the PrimeHost, make sure you click the link in the description of this video to get access to this page where you can get instant access to the PrimeHost at affordable. So your investment is completely risk-free with their 30 days money back guaranteed. So after you get access to the PrimeHost and you're not satisfied with their service, then you can request for refund within 30 days without any problem, without any issue. So to register for the PrimeHost, make sure you click in the description of this video to get access to this page where you can get access to the hosting platform, which we hope this video help you. So if you are a blogger or a marketer looking for new web hosting, then this may be the best web hosting to host your blog or host your website. Wish you the best of luck. Don't forget to click the link below to get access to this page that you are going to get as register for the PrimeHosting. Thank you.